Welcome to our t-shirt manufacturing service. We're here to help your brand shine. Are you a brand or business looking for a reliable t-shirt manufacturer? You've come to the right place. Are you tired of late deliveries and inconsistent quality? We understand your frustrations. At your company name, we pride ourselves on our punctuality and precision. We deliver on time, every time, without compromising on quality. We produce premium quality t-shirts in every style imaginable, tailored to your unique brand identity. From classic fits to modern cuts, our basic custom t-shirts are the perfect canvas for your brand's message. For a sophisticated look, our polo t-shirts offer comfort and style, perfect for corporate wear or casual elegance. Need versatile staples? Our blank and plain t-shirts are ideal for any occasion, ready for your creative touch. Planning a large-scale event? Or need a high volume of custom apparel? We specialize in bulk custom t-shirts, ensuring consistent quality across all quantities. Our in-house capabilities include high-quality printing, ensuring your designs are vibrant and long-lasting. Experience the elegance of expert embroidery, adding a sophisticated touch to your apparel. Elevate your brand with custom branding options, from woven labels to hang tags, all done in-house for seamless integration. Don't just take our word for it. We're trusted by over 100 brands and businesses worldwide. Our clients choose us for our reliability, quality, and ability to scale. Whether you need 1,000 pieces or 100,000, we scale with you, ensuring your production needs are always met. Ready to take your brand's apparel to the next level? We're here to help. Message us now for a free quote. Let's create something amazing together. Your brand deserves the best, and we are committed to delivering just that.